Hey girl, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to be installing this 2-in-1 clear lace frontal wig from Atina Hair. Now I have done a lot of clear lace wig videos before in the past, and I do need to say every clear lace is not created equal, or all clear laces is not created equal. So anyways, let's get into the hairline on this wig. One thing that I love about this particular clear lace wig is it comes with a pre-plucked hairline and the knots are already bleached. Yes, this is a super nice, clean, invisible HD lace. This type of lace is actually perfect for beginners. Even if you're not a beginner, this is definitely like a convenient wig install. So I am loving the hairline. I'm trying to figure out, honestly, if I want to do a part or if I want to do like a flip over look, because like I need y'all to get into this hairline on this wig, girl. So when it comes to wig installs, girl, I am always struggling on like middle part, side part, I don't know, girl. But anyways, I wanted to just also show you guys the amount of parting space on this wig. So it's a very versatile wig, especially when it comes to the hairline. I just can't stop messing with the hairline on this wig. So anyways, I decided to do a side part. Now I did notice that like this side of the hair, the part isn't as defined, but I think that's really just because of the texture being so thick at the roots. So I'm going to go in with a wax stick and a hot comb and just flatten out the roots of this wig to see if it helps give a little bit more definition to the part. So as many of you already know, but in case you don't know, I don't glue any of my wigs down. I prefer to use the Got To Be Glue hairspray or the gel, simply because I take my wigs off every night and I just honestly don't have time for glue. I'll use glue like every once in a while, but for most of the time I just stick with the spray and the gel. So as you guys can see, I haven't even cut the lace and it's already blended into my skin. This is crazy. So as you guys can also see, I did go ahead and fix the part on this wig. I did not have to do any plucking to that part. I just went in with some concealer just to clean it up like I always do with a majority of my wigs. And girl, this gave me like a super clean part look. So here I'm just cutting off a little bit more of the lace because I am going to do some baby hairs on the side, because I do feel like with this type of texture being a curly texture and a straight texture, it is good to have baby hairs, and also baby hairs help secure the wig down, especially if you don't use glue. Okay, so now that I got my baby hairs in position and my hairline melted, I'm going to go ahead and section off my hair into 2 sections and straighten my hair. Now again, this is a 2-in-1 type of wig, or 2-in-1 textured wig. So basically you should be able to straighten this wig as well as apply water to this wig, and the hair should curl back up to its original texture. Now I will say this, a majority of these 2-in-1 wigs come in like this super thick kinky texture, and then once you wash the hair or apply water, it typically curls up, and so that is the texture that you guys are seeing right here, is like these big loose curls in the hair. And so that's why I'm going to go ahead and straighten the hair to show you guys if this wig is going to curl back up. And of course the hair straightening, that's just a given. So yeah. yeah, like I said, the texture straightens pretty well, which I expected for it to do. Again, this is the texture that you would receive in the mail, and then it will curl back up once you wet the hair or wash the hair. I will say this, if you want this type of texture, work in sections, blow dry the hair first, and work in small sections to get your hair to be even more straighter and just flat. And so it's definitely still has like a lot of fullness and thick texture to it. So if you don't want this like super big blowout look, then just work in small sections. So anyways, honestly, I want to go for like a full straight wig. So girl, I'm about to straighten my whole head. Okay, girl, so let me slow this clip down, honey, so y'all can really catch a vibe and really get into it. First of all, this hairline just makes this wig just absolutely more gorgeous. And secondly, like, do you guys see how flat this wig is? Now, it definitely does still have texture to it like it's supposed to have anyways, but this just makes the wig, in my opinion, look even more natural when it has like this kinky blowout look to it. It is just absolutely gorgeous. So definitely, if you want a wig that is going to give you versatility, definitely consider this wig. Okay, girl, so the moment of truth. Will this hair curl back up? So I'm going to go in with just plain water at first and see what this wig is going to give, which is only water. Now, I will say, because this is a lot of hair, it may be best to work in sections to get a more defined curly look on each strand. But as you guys can see, the hair is kind of transitioning right now to like a wavy texture, which I'm very surprised about, because I was thinking that this texture was going to go like straight to curly, but it is going to wavy. And then as I'm scrunching it with a towel, as you guys can see right here, the hair is now beginning to curl. So I'm going to go in with some curling product just to give a lot more definition to the curls. Okay, so if you're not new here, then girl, you already know what I'm going in with. If you are new here, I'm going in with some hair mousse, because hair mousse just gets the job done, honey, when it comes to defining your curls. So I'm very heavy-handed, so I went in with a lot of mousse, and like, look at that. Look at the transformation with just adding mousse to your hair. It just helps elevate the curls. And then I'm going to go in with some gel. You can use any type of gel, honestly, that you want, long as it's like clear gel or like curling gel or some sort of gel. Like, girl, I don't know what I'm saying. Girl, just get you some gel and just apply it all over, and that's going to also add a lot more definition to your curls. And then once you begin to scrunch the hair, it's going to shape the curls really, really nice. Now this gel that I'm using, which I believe is Extreme or something like that, it doesn't leave my hair crunchy, and that's why I love to use this gel on my natural hair as well. Okay, girl, so here's a little quick comparison, a little side-by-side look of the two textures that you can get with this one wig. So remember, this texture was completely straightened, and I went in on one side and wet the hair and defined the curls. And y'all, the curls on this wig is so freaking pretty, but the straight texture is pretty too. So honestly, I don't know which texture I'm going to be rocking the most with this wig, but I will absolutely be rocking this wig a lot this summer because of the bomb hairline and the bomb lace. So for the purpose of this video, I am going to go ahead and wear the wig curly and just, let it do what it do. Okay, so yeah, this wig is definitely perfect. It is curling up exactly like the other side. So I'm going to make sure I have all the information below in the description bar, because this is definitely a bomb wig, girl. The hairline, the lace, the transitions in between the different textures, like, girl, I'm loving it. Again, I have tried clear laces and two-in-one textures before, but girl, let me tell you something. All these types of wigs is not created equal. I am here to tell you that. So definitely make sure you check out that description bar, because this is a wig that you definitely want to get your hands on. So thank you for watching today's video. I know it was a little long, but I needed you guys to really get your vibe and really get into this wig install because it is just so damn cute.